Hello guys, use smartphone Xiaomi Redmi 9C. This version 3GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory, NFC. Okay, device in the blue color. Look complementation. In complementation we have key for SIM slot, adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all complementation. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic, on the back side double camera LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.5 inch, on this side power key and volume keys, on this side slot for 2 SIM card, micro SD card for memory, upside headphones jack, downside micro USB port, speaker and microphone. Okay. HD plus resolution display, this IPS display, open settings and look. MIUI global version, MIUI global 12.0.2, Android 10. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, CPU. CPU MediaTek 6765G, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, GPU PowerVR. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. Okay, close this. Look Antutu benchmark results. Okay, Antutu benchmark results. Multi-touch test. 10 touches support display. Okay, and run GTA San Andreas demonic game. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. On the maximum graphic level. Display setup max. Resume game. Game works smooth, without lags. Okay, good gameplay. Close this. And talk about camera. Double camera fitting plus 2 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.